What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today we're going to run through this trade recap really quick. We just finished this trade. It's pretty early in the session. It's not even 10 a.m. yet. So super happy to have been able to catch this and capitalize on this move down. Basically just a simple continuation model. So coming into the day, I said I had more of a bearish bias. I was leaning bearish, but I was obviously willing to be flexible like always. So on the 1 hour, or let's start on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we were bearish. We inversed this 4 hour gap. We came back in and we were retracing into it. On the 1 hour, we're delivering out of a bearish gap. The buy side draw that we had was this data high from 8:30, and then all we had was London and Asia all the way up here. But if you look for sell side, we had all these draws lower, and as you can see, we're just continuing to rip now. So we had this low right here from 7 a.m. We had this old London low. We had Friday's low. We had this PM low. We had this daily low. Like, we had all this built up low resistance sell side liquidity. And I just figured that if momentum and we could displace below this low, we could probably continue lower. So market opens up and I get an initial, we manipulate down first. So market opens up right here. We get this candle down. I wanted to short right here, but it put in this wick and then it ends up taking this low out. And then it gives this huge displacing candle to the upside, and I really wanted to long here. I just didn't, it just happened too fast and I wasn't able to get in. But this would have been a break even trade anyway, because I would have got in here and then I would have looked, and my stop would have tried to been down here, and I would have been trying to target at least this 1-to-1 just shy of the data high, but I would have been break even at these highs right here anyway. So that would have been a break even trade. So from there, we end up sweeping out all these kind of like small internal highs. We tap into this 1 minute gap right here, whatever, and we come down and we form this bullish fair value gap, this huge 1 minute gap. So I was saying in the Discord, if we inverse this gap, like we show clear that we want to break through it, then I'm going to look to short. So we come pretty close on this candle, and then we retrace into a 1 minute bearish gap. If you guys can see it, it's a little bit tough to see, but this 1 minute bearish gap right here, and we get this nice close off of it, but I still want to see this gap kind of get inversed. So at this point, we honestly just keep rejecting, and I just enter after this candle closes, and I'm like, okay, worst case, I'll just cut my loss if I have to. And I'm basically, I wanted to see a strong close, but as soon as this candle closed, I don't know. This candle was bearish at one point, and I honestly thought we were going to flush below. It came back up and wicked up, and then luckily I got pretty lucky, and this next candle ended up flushing down literally perfectly to my break-even point. So I went break even right here, and I basically just took full TP at Friday's low. That was my main objective. Again, obviously I could have held down to the daily low. That would have been my final TP, but I'm fine with that. I'll take the 2.3R. Again, there's a high probability at this point that price could come down, sweep out this daily low, and then just continue and stop me out break even. So I was just trying to take my profits and get out, secure a payout, and secure a winning day for me, and I'm happy with this. So once again, price manipulates down off of market open, manipulates up, takes these lows out. We get a nice displacement back down. We get this 1 minute gap, this bearish gap getting respected. So I'm looking at this like a continuation model. We get this close here. Again, I probably could have waited for a stronger close, but then I would have honestly missed the trade. Again, I enter as this candle right here at 940. Not the 940 candle is bearish. So I get a decent fill. I get a pretty lucky fill. Puts me in a little bit of drawdown, and then boom, right to break even, and then full TP right there. So super happy with this one. That's it for me though, guys. Pretty quick one today, and we got 2 more days. I think we got news tomorrow, and then no news Friday, so should be a good rest of the week. That's it for me, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.